fabric here to the size of my cushion, as you can see. And I have a zip that's slightly longer than one of the lengths of the cushion. So instead of having my zip on the side or along the bottom, I'm actually going to place it centre back. So if I fold this over, and you can have it along the side if you'd like, but I would like mine on the centre back. So if I fold it in half and then just cut along the centre back, we've got the place for our zip. Next thing I want to do is just allow for my piping. So I'm going to just measure twice the length, the height, and twice the width. So that gives me a full perimeter, and add a little bit extra. Let's get rid of that and let's take all this to the machine. So let's grab the zip and one of the sides of the back, and we're going to place the zip with the good side down along the back. Now we need to make sure that we can see the slider and the stopper both ways. Make sure your needles are out of the way, and then you can lift your presser foot and chain off. Okay, so I've pressed that down. I just need to now repeat the same for the other side. So let's get the second side panel for the back. Make sure it's squared off with the sides of the first panel. Make sure that the edge of the fabric meets the edge of our zip. And let's lock that into position. So needles are up. Let's tuck that into the foot and let's get sewing. Now the beauty of this, using an overlocker, is that the edges are neat. So let's just go and give that a quick press. Let's work on the piping. So let's put the back piece away, and all we're going to pipe around the whole of the back, and we're going to place it with good sides together. Watch the knife. Make sure all the piping is facing inwards, and place our back panel onto the cushion, and then we're going to sew all around. But just be careful when we get to the zip. I'm going to show you what to do. So we'll start from there and work all the way around, and then I'll show you what to do. Now as we come to the last side, we need to open our zip for lots of reasons. One, we don't want to sew over the slider, and two, it's our turning hole. Okay. And go over that. Now sometimes you just got to take your time over a zip. And that, as they say, is that. Bring it round. and place